Happy afternoon, children. Yes, whether you are fine? Yes, I hope you are fine at your home. Yes, myself, I am good. Have you all had your lunch? Yes, good. So, try to have your food at time. Okay? Don't skip your breakfast or anything. Don't skip your meals. Okay? So, what we have seen in the previous class? What we have seen in our previous class? Yes, your answers? Fast? Yes, very good. Motion and measurement of distance. I hope you all would have understood that, right? Okay. Whether you all solved the problems? Good. Very well and good. Okay, yes. Now we are going to have a short recap of that lesson. Now we are going to have a short recap of that motion lesson. Okay. So what is that first? We have seen the story of transport. Yes or no? Story of transport, in that what we have seen? First, they walk by legs. Yes. And then after that legs, what came? Wheel has been invented. And then steam engine has been invented, right? After that steam engine, what? Automobiles came. Yes or no? After that steam engine, what had come? Yes, automobiles. Very good. Then, now tell me the answer. What is mean by measurement? What is mean by measurement? Yes, comparing the unknown quantity with known quantity. Very good, excellent. So, comparing the unknown quantity with known quantity. What is that known quantity called as? Yes, what is that known quantity called as? Very good, it's unit. What is that? Unit. And we have seen methods of measurement, right? How many methods? 1 or 2? Yes, there are 2. One is the exact and inexact. Very good. And then standard units of measurement. What is that standard unit? It is nothing but, what is that? Yes, tell with full energy. It is nothing but standard international SI unit. Yes, they are kilogram, and then kilogram for mass, right? And then meter for length, and then seconds for time. Very good. Then multiples and sub-multiples for measurement, right? We have seen multiples and sub-multiples, right? In that what we have seen, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. Yes or no? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and then 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and then 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Yes or no? 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay. 60 seconds is equal to how many minutes? 60 seconds is equal to how many minutes? Yeah, it's 1 minute. Very good. So, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay. So, 24 hours is equal to a day. That is 1 day. Okay. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Yes or no? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Very good. 1 ton is equal to how many kilograms? 1 ton is equal to how many kilograms? Yes, very good. It is 1000 kilogram. These are all the things which we have seen. And then measurement of length. For this measurement, what do we use? For measurement of length, yes. Tell me your answers. You know, right? Then, yes, they are meter scale, and then meter tape. Yes or no? Yes. And then measuring the length of a curved line. For measuring the length of curved line, what is the device which we use? Yes? Thread. Very good. What is that? Thread. And we have seen moving things around us. Everything around us moves. Yes or no? Everything around us moves. And then we have seen types of motion. How many types of motion? 3. There are many, but we have seen 3. Am I correct or not? Am I correct or not, children? Yes, we have seen 3 types of motion. Up to this, I hope you are clear. Now we are stepping into the next chapter, right? So it is nothing but fiber to fabric. What is our next chapter? Yeah, you're full of colorful threads, right? What is that? Full of colorful threads, which is prepared from cotton. So now we are going to see about the lesson fiber to fabric. What is that? Fiber to fabric. Yes, shall we move? Yeah. So these are all the content of this lesson. They are introduction, fiber, yarn, fabric, classification of fibers, some plant fibers, spinning, cotton yarn, yarn to fabric, and then history of clothing materials, and then we will have a recap. History of clothing materials, and then we are going to have a recap in the last. After each and every session we will be having recap. Okay, shall we go for the introduction? Yes. So, what are all the basic things which human beings need to live? Yes. What are all the basic things which we need to live? Your answers? What are the 3 things which we need to live? Yes. Good. They are food, cloth and shelter. Yes or no? Food, cloth and shelter. In the first 2 chapters we have seen about food. Yes or no? Food, where does it comes from, and then components of food. Yes, we have seen about food. Now we are going to see about the cloths. Yes, we are going to see about cloths. Here you are able to see a colorful dresses, right? Kids are wearing, and men and women are here. Yes, what do they all wear? They are cloths. Yes, have you ever imagined where does these cloths come from? Where does these cloths come from? Yes, one question to you. Why do we wear cloths? Why do we wear cloths? Your answers? Yes, but yearly humans, they do not wear clothes. Yes, but nowadays we wear. Why? Because cloths help us to protect us from heat, that is sunlight, and from dust. It helps us to protect us from cold. So it saves our body. Yes or no? Yes. So now we will be seeing how do we get these cloths. Okay. So first we are going to see about fiber. This is the raw material. That is, it is the raw source. If there is no fiber, we are not able to get cloths. So now we will be seeing about the fiber first. A fiber is nothing but it is a thin thread. What do you mean by thin? Thin, very small thread. Hair-like structure made up of natural or artificial substance. It is a thin hair-like structure made up of, it may be natural and artificial. Yes? Okay. It is long and strong to make cloths. It is long and strong to make cloths. Okay. Then, importance of fibers. Yes, the food which we eat also had fiber in it. The food which we eat also had fiber in it. Yes, fibrous food material. See, these are all the fiber food content which had. They are cereals, pulses, fruits, etc. Then, so the fibers help us to cover our body, and we also take them as food. These are the importance of fibers. Then yarn. First we have seen about fiber. It is a thread-like structure. Now we are going to see about the yarn. What is meant by that yarn, children? Yes, see, this is fiber. What is this? Yarn. So yarn is made from fibers. Yes, yarn is made from fibers. The fabric is made up of yarn. What is this? Yarn. Yarn means nothing but it is a thread-like structure. So the fibers are combined to form that yarn. So what is the first stage? Fibers. These fibers combine to form yarn, and then yarns are combined to make fabric. Fabric, that is the cloths. Okay, see here. If we take a cloth or a kerchief or a piece of cloth, okay, we are able to take the thread which is present inside it, right? Yes or no? See, that thread is called as yarn. What is that? First we have what? Fiber. Then the fiber are converted into yarn, and then the yarn are converted into fabric. Okay. So all fabric is made from fiber. It may be either natural or synthetic. Synthetic, or we may say it as man-made or artificial. Synthetic or man-made or artificial. Okay. So all fabrics are made from fiber. It may be natural or synthetic. So the fiber is processed and twisted into yarn. So the fiber which we get, right, they go through several processes. First they take the fiber. For example, when we consider an animal, they are removing the skin of an animal like sheep. They take that. After that removing process, they wash that. After washing that, they need to do the dyeing process, twist it, and then it is twisted to form yarn, that is the thread, and then this yarn is converted into fabric by weaving or knitting, by the process of weaving or knitting. Do you know weaving, right? What is meant by that weaving? Nothing but making that into cloth. Knitting also, it is, they use that way, hands, right? Have you seen that sweater knitting? Yes, it is called as knitting. The yarn is then woven or knitted into fabric. See, first stage it is fiber, then we get yarn, that is the thread, and from the thread we get fabric. This is the fabric. See, this is a fabric. From this fabric we take a thread. That thread is called as yarn. If we see a thread, there will be number of threads present. They are called as fiber. Okay, if you want, you can test it from the cloth which is there in your house. Okay, then after that we are going to see about fabric. First we have seen about fiber, then we have seen about the second stage yarn, then the last final one is fabric. Fabrics are made up of what? Fibers. So what is that fiber? Fiber is a hair-like strand from which all fabrics are made. So how the cloths are produced? The cloths are produced by weaving or knitting the textile fibers. Okay. Then classification of fibers. So as I said you already, these fibers are classified into how many types? 2. Yes or no? These fibers are classified into how many types? 2. They are natural fibers and then synthetic fibers. What is that? Yes. Repeat me. Natural and then one more, synthetic. Yeah, good. So this natural is divided into 2 types on their source. So one is the plant source and the second one is the animal source. What is the plant source and the animal source? Okay. Plant source. Do you know what is the plant source of fibers? Yes. Nothing but cotton. Have you seen? Animal source, they are sheep, camel, goat, yak, and also even rabbit. They are the animal source of fibers. Okay. So see, these are the types of fibers. Natural fibers. The fibers which are obtained from the plants and animals are called natural fibers. The fibers which are obtained from plants and animals are called natural. Example is nothing but cotton, jute, silk and wool. Cotton, jute, silk and wool. And then man-made fibers. The fibers that are synthesized in laboratory. What is that? Which are synthesized is nothing but making, prepared. So the fibers which are prepared in laboratory are called man-made fiber. What is that? Man-made or synthetic fiber. So examples are nylon, acrylic, terylene, terry-cotton, polyester, etc. Nylon, acrylic, terylene, terry-cotton, polyester, etc.